Hey guys, welcome back to Tracks and Tires. Today I'm just trying to find myself some those cab lights for the old Internationals for my Lodestar. My truck is a 1500C. It's a 1968, but I'm pretty sure most of these older International trucks actually use the exact same cab lights, just the lenses themselves. So I went on eBay. They're pretty expensive. You can buy a set of like 5 of them for $100. Yeah, probably not gonna do that. Like, there's no way I'm gonna pay that. So I got these two older cement trucks here that we got. I'm pretty sure when I was here in the fall time, I looked at the cab lights. They're covered in snow right now, but when I was here, and I could see them, they were in decent condition. I'm pretty sure there's at least one full set of lenses. So I'm just gonna try and move some snow off the top of them, and then I'll see what cab lights are good and what cab lights aren't. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, this one's broken. Okay, so out of the 5 of them, only one of them is actually broken on this truck. So I'll try and just take off the lenses now, or the whole light assembly. I'll see how easy it is. But yeah, I'll start on that. So it seems to me, I popped off the broken one first here just to see how hard they are to take off. I wasn't sure if they unscrewed or if they had bolts in them or something, but they don't. It actually seems to use, there's a O-ring inside here, and the O-ring holds against the flat spot. So you have to slowly pry each side back and forth till it comes off. I'm thinking what I might do to the ones that I don't want to crack, because they are probably cold and fragile right now, I might just remove the whole light assembly, and then once I bring them inside to warm them up, then I can remove the actual lens. Okay, that's pretty cool. I got 5 lights here. So that's 5 bases and then also 4 lenses because the one lens is damaged. But I got all the screws, all the gaskets, the wiring, everything. So 4 complete and then 1/2. That's pretty good. I had trouble with one of them. It was getting stuck, but I ended up figuring it out and got it off. So yeah, that's pretty cool. $671 Detroit diesel in both these trucks with 13 speeds. So I can already see that this light's damaged. It's cracked at the end. The base looks good. It has a bulb. This light over here has a good lens on it, but the base is actually broke off. Both of these lights, the bases are still there, but the lenses are broke. So far, 4 good bases and 1 lens. And this light on the far side is also the same. It's got a good lens, but the bases broke off. So that gives me 6 lenses in total if I can save all of them. So that's 1 extra spare. And then 10 bases, actually. 8 good bases, 2 spares with probably good light bases in them. But yeah, so this is actually, I'm pretty happy with this. The snow is pretty cold on the hands. Not a big deal though. I cut the tip of one of my fingers pretty good. I don't know how though. I couldn't even feel it. I just noticed it was bleeding. Luckily, I brought a standard screwdriver to remove these, but it turns out almost all the screws are Phillips. But the standard screwdriver I brought is actually like the perfect size to fit into the slot. So it turns out that it actually works pretty good. From what I can tell online, everything for these trucks seems pretty hard to find for lighting. So even if I get a broken base for one, the screws are still good to have. So I'm collecting any piece of these lights I can, because in the future, if I break one off of my 1500C dump truck, I highly doubt I'll be able to find any unless I go online and spend a good dollar on them. So yeah, I'll collect any pieces of these I can. And hopefully I'll always have these spare parts. And hopefully I'll never need another lens. 1 spare so far. I'll keep my eyes open on other trucks around and stuff in case I can find some other spares. But yeah, hopefully for now I only need these ones. Okay, so I got all the lights off each truck. That's 10 in total. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with, I have 6 lenses now, so that's 1 extra for my truck. Most of the bases came off pretty good. I only ended up really damaging 2 of them. So in total, I think I have 9 working complete sets with a broken piece. I have all the screws, everything. Stainless screws are actually pretty nice. And it's getting a little bit dark now, so I'm going to walk back up to my truck. And then once I get back to my house, I'm going to show you guys all the lights that I got. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, so here we go. It seems that I have, in total, out of 10 lights, I have 6 good lenses. No cracks or anything in them. And then I also have these 4 that are broken, so 4 broken lenses. But I have 9 good bases, so I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully I clean them up a little bit. I'm gonna try and let them warm up, and then pop the lenses out of them. Hopefully I don't damage any of them. And I also found this horn in the one truck. It's just a horn cover, kind of cool. International Harvester. I got the spring and the base for it. So I'd say a pretty good day, and I'm pretty lucky that I found them. So yeah, hopefully when I get them all cleaned up and ready to go, I can install them on my 1500C dump truck, and I'll make a video of that too, installing new lights on it. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more stuff to do with these internationals. It's always a good time working on these old binders. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.